The 3D printed Glock 19 is a fascinating take on the classic pistol that has been around since 1988 and is still popular with law enforcement. What makes this version unique is that anyone with access to a 3D printer can now build their own version of the Glock 19 at home. This opens up the possibility to not only recreate the original design, but also modify it to personal preferences. The AARO is a compact gadget that weighs just 11.5 ounces, making it easy to carry around. With its clever design, it can emit a 40 dB sound that can be heard from up to 600 feet away, making it perfect for getting attention when you're in trouble, especially in your car. This device also features a glass breaker to help you escape if you're trapped in your car. However, it's not strong enough to break a windshield, just smaller windows. It runs on top CR2032 lithium batteries, which are simple to replace. The Arsenal Firearms DBDC Tactical is a one-of-a-kind pistol created by Italian gunsmiths, boasting a unique feature. It can fire two different types of ammunition, .45 ACP and .38 Super Auto. It's the first semi-automatic pistol in the world to do this. The gun uses two 8-round magazines and, incredibly, fires two bullets with just one pull of the trigger. It's built for accuracy with the best performance at a distance of just 145 feet. This makes it an excellent choice for medium-range shooting. The designers behind this weapon believe its versatility allows for endless possibilities, giving users the freedom to choose how they want to use it. The holster that comes with the gun is made from strong alloys and carbon fibers, ensuring the gun stays secure and functional in any situation. Automatic spring baton. The automatic spring baton is a cool and compact self-defense tool that you've probably seen in movies featuring cops and action scenes. When folded, it's small enough to slip right into your pocket, making it super easy to carry around. But here's the impressive part. With just the press of a button, it instantly pops out into a full 20.5-inch baton, ready to use in a split second. It uses a powerful spring mechanism to extend quickly, and it's strong enough to deliver a solid hit to stop an attacker if needed. The handle has a rubber grip with finger grooves, so it stays firmly in your hand, even during fast movements. Weighing only 1.3 pounds, the baton feels solid but not heavy, perfect for everyday carry. It's also quite affordable, costing just $44, which makes it a great choice if you want a reliable self-defense tool without spending a lot. The ballistic dart gun is a unique self-defense tool that uses specially designed darts to subdue an attacker. These darts are fired with high precision, making them effective at a distance. The gun's design allows for quick and easy use, providing an alternative to more traditional self-defense weapons like pepper spray or stun guns. The darts are typically filled with substances that can cause temporary pain or discomfort, helping you disable the attacker long enough to escape or get help. The weapon is designed to be portable and easy to carry, offering a discreet but powerful way to defend yourself in dangerous situations. What sets this dart gun apart is its ability to launch darts accurately, creating a small but powerful impact on the target. This makes it effective at deterring threats without causing lasting harm. It's an ideal option for those looking for a non-lethal self-defense tool that can be used from a safe distance. Benchmade. The Benchmade is a compact, practical self-defense knife designed by expert knife maker Greg Thompson. This knife is not only built for reliability, but also comes with a special knife fighting program to help you sharpen your skills and feel more confident in using it. Made from 440cc steel, the knife is both strong and lightweight, weighing just 3 ounces. Its 2.2-inch blade is designed with a wavy edge, perfect for cutting through ropes, cords, and other materials quickly and easily. The SOCP is a great tool to carry around for everyday peace of mind, whether you're going for a morning jog or commuting at night. Its size makes it easy to carry, and it's always ready when you need it. With a price tag of $110, the Benchmade SOCP offers great value for anyone looking for a reliable, lightweight, and practical self-defense knife. The Bowler Wrap is a tough and reliable tool made for heavy use, even in challenging conditions. With a full length of 9 inches and a 3.8-inch blade, it's compact yet effective. Weighing just 7 ounces, it's easy to carry around without feeling bulky. What makes this knife stand out is its S-dynamic locking system that ensures the blade stays securely in place, while the larger button design makes it easy to handle with either hand. The blade is made from S35VN steel, which is a special metal containing novium and vanadium. This makes the blade highly resistant to wear and tear, so it stays sharp and strong for a long time. Whether you're using it for everyday tasks or for self-defense, this knife is built to last and perform under pressure. Priced at around $350, the Bowler Wrap is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, non-lethal tool. Bunch O balloons. If you're in the mood for a water balloon fight, Bunch O balloons is the perfect solution to keep the fun going without delays. With this system, you can fill up 40 balloons in just 40 seconds and 100 balloons in a minute. It's super fast and efficient. The kit includes everything you need: a garden hose adapter, a nozzle, and eco-friendly balloons made from natural rubber. Cobra cuffs. If you've managed to neutralize a threat, what do you do next while waiting for the police? If the person snaps back to their senses, things could get tricky. That's where Cobra cuffs come in handy. These special handcuffs are designed to help you keep someone restrained safely until help arrives. What sets Cobra cuffs apart? They're used by the US Army, which is a huge sign of their strength and reliability. The design ensures that they don't cause too much pressure on the person's wrist, but they still prevent any escape attempts using muscle strength. The cuffs are made from a special polymer that's flexible and strong, similar to rubber. This material is not only tough, but also works great in both hot and cold temperatures, ranging from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The CRKT Provoke knife is a modern twist on the classic karambit, a curved blade known for its unique grip that's great for self-defense. The karambit is believed to be inspired by tiger claws, making it both effective and stylish. This knife, designed by Joe Caswell, stands out thanks to its innovative features. What makes the Provoke knife special is its kinematic technology, which allows the blade to deploy quickly with just a simple push of your thumb. It's designed to be safe and comfortable to carry while being super easy to use in a moment's notice. Weighing just 6 ounces and with a 2.4-inch blade, it's compact, lightweight, and ready for action. Fifish V6 Expert. The Fifish V6 Expert is an incredible underwater drone that lets you explore the ocean like a pro. It's perfect for scuba divers, snorkelers, or anyone who's curious about what's beneath the surface. This drone lets you capture stunning 4K underwater footage, so you can record marine life and underwater scenery in amazing detail. With a range of up to 328 feet, you can dive deeper than ever without losing connection. Whether you're swimming along the coast or exploring shipwrecks, the V6 Expert makes it easy to capture every moment. It also features real-time controls, allowing you to steer the drone and watch live footage as you explore the depths. You can control the drone easily through a dedicated app, making it simple to adjust settings and see the live feed directly on your phone. Why settle for the usual when you can get something cooler? Check out this amazing folding combat axe, handcrafted by an Australian artisan. If you're a regular viewer, you might remember his other creations, like the hidden knife inspired by Assassin's Creed. This axe stands out with its easy-to-use one-hand folding mechanism, perfect for quick action when you need it. It comes with a scabbard and a handy belt clip, making it easy to carry around. Though this version is made from durable plastic, many commenters think a metal version would be even better. A metal version could attract interest from military personnel, firefighters, police, and other first responders, who would find it practical and reliable. Whether you're looking for something cool to add to your collection or a useful tool for outdoor activities, this folding axe is worth considering. Would you want to own one? It's a unique, functional piece that can grab attention and serve a purpose at the same time. The IC380 Ideal Conceal is a clever and compact concealed carry pistol designed to look like a smartphone when folded. This unique design makes it easy to carry and discreet, allowing you to protect yourself without drawing attention. With just a simple, one-handed motion, you can quickly unfold the pistol when needed. Weighing just around 1 pound and measuring 5 inches long, the IC380 is small and lightweight, making it perfect for daily carry. While it only holds 2 rounds, the design and the element of surprise make it an effective self-defense tool. It's not about having a high round count, but about the ability to respond quickly when it matters most. The IC380 is made for ease of use. Its simple design ensures you can rely on it in stressful situations without worrying about complicated mechanics. Whether you're going about your day or traveling, this compact firearm offers security without the bulk of larger guns. The Invi bracelet is a clever way to stay stylish while staying safe. This bracelet, made from a mix of metal and natural leather, looks like a fashionable accessory but serves a unique purpose. Available in various colors, it can match almost any outfit, making it perfect for anyone who loves combining fashion with function. If you ever find yourself in a dangerous situation, simply press the metal parts and pull the strap. This action causes a special capsule inside the bracelet to burst, releasing a strong, unpleasant odor that helps keep attackers at bay. It's a fresh take on self-defense, with no need for stun guns or harsh tools, just a simple and discreet way to protect yourself when necessary. The Invi bracelet is a single-use device, so once it's activated, it's done. It costs around $88. But for those who want a stylish way to add an extra layer of security to their daily look, it could be well worth the investment. Klecker Knives K-Clax Lumberjack. The K-Lax Lumberjack is a next-level outdoor tool that's way more than just an axe. Made by Klecker Knives in the USA, this clever invention combines multiple tools into one compact design, perfect for camping, hiking, or survival situations. It's not just an axe. It also works as a hammer, bottle opener, carabiner, ruler, bit holder, scraper, and even a set of wrenches. Imagine how many tools you'd normally have to carry to get all that. With the K-Lax, you get everything in one smart, easy-to-carry package. It's made from strong and durable Japanese 420 J2 steel or titanium, so it's built to last even in tough conditions. You can also attach it to any wooden handle that fits thanks to its universal screw mounting system. That means you can turn any stick into an axe handle in no time. The K-Lax measures just 6.3 inches long and 3.7 inches high, making it small enough to pack but powerful enough to get the job done. The price is around $140, and for what it offers, it's a solid deal. If you love the outdoors or just enjoy cool, functional gear, the K-Lax Lumberjack is worth checking out. Laserlight's Mighty Mouse. The Mighty Mouse by Laserlight is a small but powerful laser sight made for compact guns, especially mini handguns. This clever device helps you aim better and shoot more accurately, making it a great upgrade for anyone who carries a small firearm. Installing it is super easy. Just replace the side plate of your gun with the Mighty Mouse unit. Once attached, your gun still fits perfectly into a standard holster, so you won't need to buy anything extra. One of its best features is the automatic on-off system. As soon as you pick up your gun, the laser turns on, and when you set it down, it turns off. This helps save battery life and makes the sight quick and easy to use during tense moments. It runs on 3 small 392 batteries, giving you around an hour of runtime, and it weighs just 0.75 ounces, so you'll hardly notice it's there. At about $130, it's a bit of an investment, almost half the price of some small guns. but many users find the added accuracy and convenience totally worth it.